Hi everyone, welcome back again, and this is the signature segment of the 3 Hour News Show, See the Stories. So, today we'll be highlighting again the youth contributions, and nowadays Indonesian youth are very much concerned about the education, knowing that our country is the largest archipelago in the world, so I guess sometimes connections, distance, have become the
limited, challenging, yes. And one such community making strides in Indonesian education is backpacker teaching. Let's have a look.
Backpacker teaching focuses on educating students across Indonesia, including those in remote areas. They seek to ensure inclusion and equity in education nationwide. Beyond traditional subjects, they also empower students performing arts. All right, so let's learn more about the community. We have now with us today the founder of Backpacker Teaching, Dini Handayani. Hi, Dini, welcome to See Today.
Hello.
Welcome to the studio.
Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you for coming. Where's your backpack?
Yes.
I live at
left it there.
waiting room.
Okay. So first thing first, we would like to know the core of Backpacker Teaching. We know that there's a lot of platforms in the field of education conducted by youth as well, but what is the uniqueness of Backpacker Teaching?
Maybe it's our goals. Maybe it's our goals because our goals is to motivate more, children or students to want to learning by herself. So we want that children can learning by herself. So they can communicate. They can learn by herself.
Right.
So these students have never been in the school.
The student is at school. So because of the lack of education that we have, and there is concern that we have to.
So they're lacking of motivation.
Yeah,
they're lacking the drive of studying.
Yeah, they're lacking of motivation as studying because many reasons
in the areas that they're located, they don't have access, maybe. Is that correct?
Ya. Jadi mereka tuh banyak yang kurang aksesnya untuk pendidikan di Indonesia.
Okay. And this is where you come in. Now, can you tell us what sets you apart, from other teaching communities? What's the difference between you and others?
Yeah, because we want to motivate more children. Jadi kita mau mengembangkan potensi mereka gitu. Jadi potensi mereka berkembang, kitanya juga bisa mengelaborate-nya gitu, mengelaborate potensi mereka untuk belajar menyenangkan loh, karena memang di daerah-daerah seperti daerah yang kurang perhatian oleh pemerintah pusat, itu sangat butuh maksudnya sangat butuh concern kita gitu. Jadi memang apalagi di daerah yang pendidikannya kurang gurunya gitu. Jadi memang mereka tuh kurang untuk pengetahuan mereka kurang tentang dunia luar.
Okay, so you're saying that there is a need to explore their potentials, the students' potentials, to basically bring them out and give them motivations. And we know that certain parts have not been the focus of the government, let's say. So that's where the backpack is in.
They haven't been exploited enough.
Yeah, but how are you trying to get them to be motivated? You were saying that there is a different goal, and also in the previous video we mentioned that you also teach them how to perform. This is very different.
Yes.
Why is that?
Because karena kita tahu sebenarnya potensi anak-anak itu besar loh, dan anak-anak itu sebenarnya percaya diri loh, karena mereka nggak punya wadah. Jadi kami di sini sebagai wadahnya gitu. Oke nih, kalian bisa. Terus sebelumnya kan kita juga banyak background ya, dari berbagai macam background. Jadi kita perkenalkan juga background kita yang macam-macam ini. Oh ya nih, kebetulan kemarin kita punya salah satunya dokter gigi. Jadi mereka oke, ini caranya merawat gigi seperti ini. Jadi anak-anak oh ya tahu nih maksudnya ini dokter gigi ini kerjanya seperti ini. Jadi kita maksudnya anak-anaknya tahu oh dokter gigi seperti ini. Terus lebih ke ini aja sih, anak-anak lebih termotivasi gitu. Oh, dokter gigi seperti ini, aku harus bisa jadi dokter gigi. Nah, caranya gimana? Saya harus lebih percaya diri. Nah, setelah kita terus memberikan motivasi untuk belajar sendiri, mereka jadi lebih ke oke, aku mau nih mencoba untuk percaya diri lagi gitu, untuk berani tampil di depan. Gitu.
So the key is the confidence.
The confidence.
Yeah, actually giving an overview on professions.
Yeah.
Like she mentioned, Dini was mentioning about dentists,
Yeah.
because elementary students, they didn't probably have any imagination enough to drive them to study dentistry, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So this is what you're bringing to
Yeah.
kids in remote areas.
Yeah.
Now, we know that you also saying there's a different kind of platform. So within the backpacker teaching community, what is the that you think is the favorite or your main program, or like one that you're trying to really deliver to the kids?
As going on now, we have a backpacker teaching goes to. So sebelumnya kita ada backpacker teaching goes to Bogor, backpacker teaching goes to Entikong. Entikong itu perbatasan antara Kalimantan Barat dengan Malaysia, Sarawak. Dia lebih dekat ke Sarawak sebenarnya. Jadi itu program yang paling favorit di kita. Jadi ada juga sekarang juga sedang berlangsung backpacker teaching goes to Bogor, tapi ini kabupatennya di daerah Gunung Lewiliang.
Oh, Louis.
I was there
Gunung
like a
Mering.
month ago. I was there.
Yeah.
I was there.
Really?
With the backpacking, yeah.
Ya, tepatnya di Gunung Menir.
Okay.
So you have seen how the students out there, especially in the remote areas, they lack of motivation. But which areas are you focusing? Do you have any specific targets, like this area is very low in terms of motivation, maybe access, maybe support, not only from the school or the government, but maybe from the parents that not thinking that they need to explore more, right?
Ya. Sebenarnya di pendidikan ini sendiri, bahkan di perkotaan pun masih banyak ya yang jauh dari orang tua. Kita nggak usah ngomongin di daerah, tapi di Jakarta aja, di kotanya sendiri pun masih banyak gitu yang lack of motivation because of parents.
So it's about the mindset,
the mindset itu pasti. Maka dari itu sebenarnya kita ingin loh, gimana sih caranya membangkitkan semangat itunya dari dalam gitu. Jadi emang kita maunya anak-anak belajar sendiri tanpa ayo belajar tanpa seperti itu. Jadi kita maunya anak-anak tuh belajar dengan kemauannya sendiri gitu. Jadi memang motivasi dari terbentuknya backpacker teaching itu seperti itu. Jadi kita mau anak-anak termotivasi sendiri untuk belajar sendiri gitu. Jadi
yeah, I mean it comes to me a question now. I mean if you want to gather informations, if you want to get them motivated, and you said there is a dentist, maybe other profession as well. Who are these volunteers? I mean, do you recruit them?
Kami setiap tahun itu buka rekrutmen untuk menjadi anggota backpacker teaching. Jadi memang setiap tahun kami membuka kesempatan untuk teman-teman semua yang mau, ayo kita kasih gambaran ke anak-anak ternyata profesi itu nggak cuma guru aja loh. Ternyata profesi itu nggak cuma jadi tentara aja loh. Tapi banyak, ada dentist, ada mungkin news anchor.
Oh, okay.
Mungkin
That's one option.
ya, jadi anak-anak nggak tahu nih, anak-anak sangat kotak karena memang mereka taunya cuma, oh iya orang tua saya sebagai wira swasta, orang tua saya sebagai petani, mereka hanya tahunya seperti itu. Tapi mereka tidak tahu ada pekerjaan news anchor, ada pekerjaan kameramen, itu mereka nggak tahu gitu. Jadi memang kita maunya kita merekrut orang sebanyak-banyaknya dari segala background biar anak-anak tuh tahu, oh pekerjaan tuh nggak cuma ini aja ya. Jadi mereka lebih punya motivasi gitu. Dan mereka nggak mesti melulu belajar cuma buat jadi dokter.
Right.
Kita nggak cuma
It's like the old school dream.
Yeah.
Doctors,
Doctors, teachers, policemen.
police. I mean, nowadays we have like what? Screenwriters, content
Yes,
creators.
something
Yeah.
you would never say that. You would never say like 20, 30 years ago, right? So Dini, you were saying that you're doing recruitment every year, right?
Yeah.
So that means you have a lot of different kind of backgrounds for the teachers in the backpacking teaching community here. Now, just, we're just curious, what about your own background of teaching? Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
My background is teacher.
Oh, you
Okay.
are a teacher.
Yeah,
You are a
I'm a
teacher, yeah. So, how long, can you tell us a little bit more where you've been, where in the region of Indonesia that you have taught?
Jadi karena di backpacker teaching ini ya, karena saya terjun di backpacker teaching, jadi sebelum saya mengajar di tempat saya yang sekarang, saya lebih banyak explore anak-anaknya gitu ya. Jadi memang sebelum saya di tempat yang saya sekarang, saya sudah bersama backpacker teaching, saya sudah ke Bogor, ke Ujung Kulon, ke Jogja, ke Antikong, dan terakhir ke Tegal ya. Tegal itu di Guci. Ya tepatnya sama-sama di perbatasan dan lack of motivation juga untuk belajar. Gitu. Jadi karena saya sudah mengelilingi semua itu, jadi memang saya udah tahu nih, oh karakternya anaknya tuh beda-beda loh, karakter anak tuh beda-beda. Sama apa ya? Sama kayak kita gitu. Mungkin karakter kita, karena kita tumbuh di perkotaan, karakter kita seperti ini. Cuma beda kalau anak-anak tumbuh di pedesaan, biasanya anak-anaknya lebih pasif. Kalau misalnya anak-anak tumbuh di orang tua yang apa ya, yang maksudnya membebaskan anak-anaknya untuk berbicara, mereka lebih terbuka gitu untuk berbicara, untuk berdiskusi bareng-bareng kita.
So your focus is actually on the elementary school students.
Yeah.
All right. That's one of the ages where it's very important to
Right.
basically, because they're pretty much like a paper. I mean, blank paper, and they need to draw a lot on that, right? And they need to have like inspirations from everywhere. So maybe my question now is going to be, what are the goals? You talked about lacking of motivations, lacking of dreams, lacking of access. Maybe you have a future goal for you to feel secure that, backpacker Indonesia or the backpacker education needing help from maybe the government or other parties to actually, when we go together to help the education, especially for these children, then it will be better. What is it?
Lagi-lagi, motivasi kita adalah ingin memajukan motivasi anak-anak gitu. Jadi memang motivasi kita sebenarnya sederhana, cuma ini penting loh, motivasi dari dalam diri itu sangat penting gitu. Jadi kita ingin menumbuhkan itu gitu. Jadi kita ingin menumbuhkan motivasi anaknya dulu. Mungkin kalau kita bersatu gitu bersama pemerintah mungkin ya, bisa anak-anak tuh bisa jadi individuali yang lebih berkualitas gitu. Jadi memang ketika motivasi dari dalam diri kita atau motivasi belajar dari dalam anak-anak itu sudah tumbuh dengan baik, maka pasti dengan didukung juga ya, dengan didukung oleh pemerintah, karena memang banyak anak-anak yang punya motivasi yang kuat, namun
They don't have the
they don't
tools,
have
the access, maybe?
betul. Ya, mereka nggak punya akses, mereka nggak punya kekuatan untuk mewujudkan motivasi mereka. Jadi memang dari kita, kita tumbuhin dulu aja motivasinya, tumbuhkan dulu semangatnya. Kita bilang oke, nggak ada yang nggak mungkin, masih di situ dulu karena memang kita nggak punya akses untuk mewujudkan motivasi mereka gitu. Jadi kita hanya berfokus untuk ya udah kita menumbuhkan motivasinya aja dulu. Mereka seneng dulu seenggaknya. Mereka nggak takut sama sekolah gitu. Mereka nggak takut sama belajar.
Wow, speaking a teacher, when coming from a teacher, I truly honor your profession as a teacher because especially to bring out these motivations, it's not that easy. It sounds simple,
It is,
but when you are like a stone and that's heavy, you cannot really
can't
push
just push it. You
without
have to
any
have-
drive, right?
You have to have tactics, strategies. I'm talking from the background of a tennis teacher. It's a little bit similar because you're teaching something and you can't just expect that this kid is going to get it in 5 minutes. You
true.
can't. You really have to be very creative. You got to make sure that everybody is going to be very, very interested in learning.
Trigger.
You got to have to do that.
Thank you so much, Dini, for
Thank you
speaking
so
to me
much.
today.
Thank
luck
you
with-
for having me.
with
Good
everything.
luck,
With the
yes.
project.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
All right, so that was our chit chat or discussion with Dini, a teacher who joins Backpacker Education, whose dream is basically to get the children, Indonesian children, to be more motivated and having high dreams like everyone else.
Go. All right, guys, we're gonna take a quick break right now, but don't you go anywhere. We'll be right back, and we have more interesting information for you guys. Stay tuned.